engine roars, awakening the slumbering highway. In the rear view mirror, a faded map is reflected. The wind whispers, humming ancient melodies. The distant place beckons like an unopened letter. Was filled with faded postcards. Each one was a youthful invitation to abandon oneself. We chased the golden edge of the horizon. We forlornly listened to paper kites. When the fuel tank runs dry, we steal the gasoline from the galaxy. At the end of the road, there lies the toll booth of time. Is in the pocket of the down jacket. The radio is lying about the weather forecast. The sudden downpour is like a faucet opened by the sky. We are smiling, drying the bill of the clouds with our body heat. The tunnel swallowed up all the farewell taillights. The odometer was secretly altering the youth. When the stars all turned into road signs of gas stations, it was only then that I realized that wandering was the most costly piety. We chased the golden edge of the horizon. We fought loneliness into a paper kite. When the fuel tank runs dry, we steal the gasoline from the galaxy. At the end of the road, there lies the toll booth of time.